Hello everyone, welcome back to Justify Designs. Today we are diving into something truly groundbreaking, which is AI-based lip-sync synchronization software. If you are into content creation, video editing, or just love exploring cutting-edge technology, this video is for you. In this video, we will explore how this AI tool can transform your workflow, create realistic voiceovers, and even sync lips perfectly to audio. Plus, I will show you a real-life example of how I use it to create a product demo for a client. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first thing first, what is Sync Voice AI? It is an AI-powered platform that lets you create natural-sounding voiceovers and even clone voices. But what makes it stand out is its LipSync 1.9 beta model. It synchronizes audio to lip movements in videos. Imagine creating a video where voice matches the lip movements perfectly without needing a professional actor or expensive equipment. So that is the power of Sync AI. Now let me show you how I use Sync Voice AI for a real client project. My client wanted a product demo for their new smart home device. They needed a professional voiceover and perfect lip synchronization for their spokesperson. Here's how I did it. Step 1 was script writing. I wrote a script highlighting the product features like voice control, energy efficiency, and its sleek design. The step 2 was syncing with LipSync 1.9 beta model. I uploaded the spokesperson video and used LipSync 1.9 beta model to synchronize the audio to their lip movements. Step 3 was voiceover creation. Using Sync Voice AI, I generated a natural sounding voiceover in the client's preferred tone and accent. The result was actually a professional, seamless looking video. Let's view it.
Welcome to the future of smart living. Meet your ultimate home assistant, designed to make life easier, safer, and more efficient. With advanced voice control, managing your home is effortless. Just say the word and product name responds instantly. Control everything from anywhere. Adjust lighting, temperature, and security settings right from your phone.
Now let me walk you through how to use Sync Voice AI LipSync beta model step by step. Start by uploading the video you want to sync audio to. Either type in your script and generate a voiceover, or you can also add link to the audio file, or you can record the audio as well. Customize the voice tone, speed, and emotion to match your video's vibe. Use LipSync 1.9 beta model to align the audio with the lip movements. Once you are happy with the result, export the video in high quality. So you will be asking why this is a game changer. It actually saves time and money. No need for expensive voiceovers or reshoots. It is actually perfect for product demos, spinner videos, e-learning content, and many much other things as well. So whether you are a solo creator or a business owner, Sync Voice AI can take your content to the next level. And that's a wrap. If you are excited about Sync Voice AI as I am, check out their website and give LipSync 1.9 beta a try. Trust me, it's actually a game changer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Justify Designs for more tips, tutorials, and tech reviews. Let me know in the comments how would you use Sync Voice AI in your projects. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired.